Take command of the road in the 2013 Toyota Tacoma. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and an efficient four-cylinder engine. Toyota infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as a tachometer, a rear step bumper, skid plates, and power windows. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 6 speakers enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Toyota also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, and ABS brakes. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.